afternoon. Today I am back in the motherland. I'm back at Public Enemy. I'm going to give you a bit of an update on what's been going on here, because the last time I filmed here there was hardly any of this stuff here. We've got a helicopter in the yard. Yeah, we've got loads of stuff going on. As you remember, we were doing shop renovations before, but they've come along a lot more than when I last showed you around. So yeah, let's go and have a look around the workshop. Ooh. Wow, look at this! So Tim and Steve have just turned up. Grumpy and Jiggly have just turned up. We are taking the gearbox out of Murder 1 because we're actually swapping our gold gearbox from the F100 back into Murder 1, and we're going to get Murder 1's gearbox into ours. Uh-oh. Jigglies!
Yay! What a happy day today. We're all together again.
Yeah, I did say to Mason earlier, I said, oh, they're coming to take the gearbox out because I'm back here. They missed me. They missed me. So why are we putting this gearbox in the F100?
This was just a standard type 700R4. Fine for
Yeah.
Not sure, a big one.
Yeah.
Going.
Oh, and the gold gearbox that we've got is what was that? That's 4L80. And
basically we have turbo 400 and overdrive. We have just a better lower ratio of first gear, so it's not the fun, isn't it?
that's different. So a lot better. He's not wondering yet, but he is talking. It's like different terrain and stuff, isn't it? Different environment. The king of his castle. I was just like, who's turned up at the shop? Someone would pop up like, ah! I'm so excited. Do it again, do it again. Oh, I love it. One more time. Yes!
This is going to be
It's like all the crazy characters.
all the old men.
They're all together.
The thing is, that's the balcony, but under that is all the clutches. Yeah. Now, if you say this margin and say that going to make it in there, see?
Yeah.
Need a fluid change. You sold it.
Which troubles do you seek? A pure heart is the root of all weak. I bowed my head and hid my eyes, but he shook me out of my disguise and said, you ain't gonna lose me. What you gonna do about it? I'm gonna hit the bottom.
Hey!
Bang!
Woohoo!
Tail light,
Yeah.
tail and brake.
Oh yeah.
Indicating. Indicating the lights off.
You're too funny. Yeah, those are gonna look great. So we're actually using Cadillac lights as our backlights instead. We bought some Ford ones, but we're gonna use this Cadillac ones instead. So it'll be even more custom. Won't it?
There somewhere. And this sinks inside,
Yeah.
and the light sort of sits inside here.
Oh, so it's sunk in.
Yeah.
Wow.
We can bring that a little bit further.
Yeah, I think so you can see
Yeah,
them.
don't want too big, do you?
No. That's cool.
Sort of like that.
Yeah. And we have 1, 2, and 3, 4 on the other side. Coo, coo, coo.
That's a bit deep in there, isn't it?
That is quite.
Deep in there. We'll see that bit. Yeah, so the jiggly chrome bit. We'll see that.
As well jiggly. At the enemy headquarters. Mason's going around with this magnet on a string. He looks like he's got an invisible dog. He's trying to get any metal on the floor so that we don't get punctures and that, but he looks like a mentalist.
When I say people punctures, look, that's just me wandering around.
I know. It's good, isn't it?
Yeah, no, but look, look. This is just me wandering around the magnet thing. That's a puncture tyre, that's a puncture tyre, that's a puncture tyre. That's grand's worth of puncture tyres just there, look.
Oh no, it's good though. I
know it looks ridiculous.
Yeah.
But the point is that
No, it's
I'd rather
great.
look ridiculous and not pay £1,000 for new tyres.
It's fucking brilliant idea. It sounds like I'm being sarcastic. I just like watching you do silly things. Well, should we go and see if we can fit you in a car now? I think this is the best one yet.